Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove dry skin using sugar. I'll be going over some easy steps, so let's get right into the video. That's right, you can use sugar as an exfoliation thing that will remove your dry skin. Very, very easy to do. This is just the sugar that I use in the cupboard. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to make quickly and easily a little almost like paste like this. It looks like this, and it's like almost like an exfoliation type of thing that you can use to remove that dry skin. Now, the great thing about sugar is that it has properties in it that allow it to draw moisture into it. So when you exfoliate using sugar, you're also going to draw moisture onto the skin, which will further enhance your skin tone. This is one method. There are other methods, but I'm going to sort of show you this one and tell you about the additional methods. So how did I make this little paste over here? Well, it's very, very simple. What I did was I put a small few pinches of sugar into the bowl. So just get sugar, put just a little bit of it into the bowl, okay? And then I actually got some olive oil, and I put just a little bit of olive oil. Don't go too much with it because it's going to become too pasty if you do. I put a little bit of olive oil just to sort of make it into almost like a thicker type of paste. Now, once you've made your thick paste, and I'll tell you about another method in a moment, but once you've made your thick paste, you just want to grab it with your fingers, and just bear with me. I'm just going to do this over the sink, so I don't make too much of a mess in my bathroom here. But essentially you want to grab it, I'm going to get a little bit less of it, but just grab a little bit of it with your fingers, and you want to rub it on your skin, and that will help to remove the dry skin. So I'm going to rub it on my forehead right now. And when I rub it on my forehead, like I said, do it over somewhere where it can fall, like into a sink or something like that, or outside. But essentially, when I rub it on my forehead, the sugar, because it's granular, it's exfoliating and it's removing the dry skin. But it's also allowing the humidity in the air to seep into my skin and therefore allow my skin to be more moist, which will further enhance my skin tone, okay? And you can rub it around until all the sugar basically falls off, okay? The sugar will fall off. It's not going in your skin, it's falling off, right? But once all the sugar is falling off, then you're basically good to go. Now, another method that you can use is to put a little bit of sugar on something that is healthy for your skin. For instance, you can put a little bit of sugar on a tomato slice and rub that tomato slice with the sugar side on it on your skin. And tomatoes are great because they have lots of great properties in them that make them not only healthy for your body, but healthy for your skin as well. So that will allow you to exfoliate the dry skin off of you, but also to add some of those nutrients into your skin as well. Very, very healthy. When you're done, all that you gotta do is rinse your hand and then rinse your head, okay? Just like that, or whatever skin you're removing the dry skin from, okay? Very simple. And obviously, because it is, if you're using this method, because it is oil, then essentially I would recommend that you take a shower after, because you want to get that oil off of you. Now, you don't have to take a shower immediately after, but you should be taking a shower a little bit after. You can leave it on your skin for a bit, and it would have some great properties with it. But you know, if you plan on taking a shower, I would recommend waiting like at least 5 to 10 minutes, then take your shower. That'll allow you to get all of the benefits, and then rinse it all off. And that's it. Honestly, sugar is very inexpensive, and olive oil isn't that inexpensive, but you only need a little bit of it, right? So essentially, you just need a little bit of the olive oil, and this exfoliation paste is probably going to end up being much cheaper than the stuff you'll buy. And you can make it yourself at home. You can make as much of it or as little of it as you want to. Yeah, that's it. I mean, it's very, very simple, very, very easy to make, and that's how to remove dry skin with sugar and how to exfoliate with sugar. And that's it. I've shown you one method. I've told you about another method. It's that simple. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.